Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Encourager Layout Social Media Happy Planner. We are planning for the first week in April, March 30th through April 5th, and I thought I'd be a little bit different for this week. I was kind of going through my massive sticker collection, trying to figure out stickers that I have not used in a while. And this is a student sticker book 577 that was actually released last year in their back to school release. And I saw these really pretty flowers. So you guys know I love flowers and I like to do things different every now and then. So I thought it would be kind of interesting to try to decorate my social media spread using this student sticker book. So I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers, of course. I'm not quite sure how this is going to turn out, but these are some of the ones that I've pre-chosen. So the first thing I want to start with is this really thin little washi strip, and I think I want to put it, maybe put one on this side here. These are kind of hard to line up. I always say that, but they really are, because it's so thin. But this just kind of brings in all the colors that I'm going to be using. Okay, and I need to grab another one out of here. So let's see if I can find it. There we go. Now this one's going to be too long. I'm just going to have to cut it. Got too much stuff here. All right, so where do I want to put this one? I think I want to put it maybe right here. So if you haven't seen any of my Encourager Plan With Me's yet, in this focus box is usually where I write my YouTube revenue, where I just keep track of it. And then down in this empty box down here, I keep up with my YouTube and Instagram statistics, just to show me how I'm growing. It's just fun to look back on. And then in these two boxes here, I just put my to-dos. All right, so the first thing I want to start with is what I normally start with down here in this bottom corner. Now, because this is a student sticker book, these are not your normal size vertical boxes. So it's not gonna evenly cover up my random act of kindness like a regular size vertical box would. Because the student planners are like a color block layout, I think they're called, and their vertical boxes, they're smaller. So we're gonna just try to make this work. And that's crooked, of course. Just try to straighten this up just a tad. Okay, so this says, be bold, be brave, be you. And it's got all of my flowers in it. All right, now let's see what else. I guess we can just start with this little rainbow box. Same thing here. This is not your normal size vertical box, but I thought it would be kind of cute to put it in one of these boxes and then overlay it with a little header. Gosh, I'm having trouble with my straightness today. So I think I'll overlay that with this blue to-do and just kind of offset it some. Maybe like that. And then, of course, you guys know I'm going to come back in somewhere in behind these stickers and put my flowers. All right, and then I think I'm just going to randomly place this teacup here and just kind of try to decorate around it. So let's move to this side. Now this sticker has the same flowers that I'm using in it, and it says love this season. And I think I want to put it maybe on Saturday. See if I can get it straight. Okay. And then we're going to come in with this teal box that has the bicycle, and then this flower box. I like to use kind of the same stickers on both pages. It just helps my OCD, I guess. So let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's put this one over here, and I'm going to offset it with a header just like I did on the other side. And where do I want to put this one? I think I'm going to put this down here, and I can just write my stats on this sticker. Let's kind of center that because this isn't quite big enough either. All right, so let's put my important header over my bicycle. And which way do I want to go? I think I'll just go this way with it. Okay. All right, so now I think I've got all my boxes down. I'm just gonna go to flowers now. So I really like this one with the stem on it. It's like a little patch of 3 flowers. And I thought it would be kind of cute just to come off the bottom of one of these. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this black line. Excuse me. So I'm gonna use my jelly roll here and just get rid of this dark black line. I'm not gonna worry about the grid. The grid is kind of faint, but this dark black line through my flowers, I don't want it showing. So we'll get rid of that. This is the Sakura Jelly Roll 10. I think it's like a bold point. And then I'm just gonna take my tweezers, kind of weigh down my sticker there so that it'll dry. And let's go in here and start picking out some more flowers. All right, so these are my options. So what do I want to do here? I think I'm gonna go ahead and get my wax paper and use this. If you're curious and you haven't watched any of my other videos, the main reason I use the wax paper is because it takes, the wax kind of adheres to my stickers and it takes some of the stickiness off so that they are repositionable. So I'm gonna grab this bluish color here, and maybe, I was thinking about doing another one of these. Maybe I will. I have an idea. So we'll just try it. And maybe let's try, I don't know, let's just go with those 2 for now. This may be a pretty simple spread. We'll see how it goes. It's okay, so that's cute there. And then I'm wondering what these would look like if I put them up here. Maybe like this, and I still do have room for my revenue here. I'm just thinking I might want to white out this pink line behind here, and I think that would be cute. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to white out, and I'm going to use my Tombow mono correction tape for this. Just going to white out this pink part of this box. And I actually whited out too much, so I'm going to try to scrape some of this off. See if it'll work. Okay, it's not the best job, but it's there. So I think that's cute, and I still have room to write my revenue here and write some to-dos there. All right, and then I like these blue colors here. So I'm wondering what this would look like behind my little teacup. And I'm thinking maybe I'll put my green behind there. So that's kind of cute. Now, is there anything else I want to add? I really don't think so, but I do believe I'm going to cut this sticker because I can see my green leaves behind there, and I don't like that. That's just me. So let's go ahead and peel that part up and get rid of these green leaves, if it'll cooperate. Okay, much better. All right, so yeah, I think that this is gonna be it for this spread. It's cute, it's functional, whichever one. So anyways, this is just kind of a way to encourage you guys to go through your sticker books and use something different. And you can still make really cute spreads out of old sticker books, or even student sticker books. I'm not a student, but I can still use the student sticker books. So here's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. This is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.